This is the end of my sunrise meditation. I did a Reiki cleanse meditation. I've swum. I ended up on my arse a few times, but that's because the waves catch you and the stones in the sea catch you. And it was very much a cleansing. It's the 13th today, Friday the 13th. We've got the solstice in a week. We've got the full moon on Sunday. So a really powerful time for some of us. I've sat and observed. I've listened. And I've just been. The water's surprisingly warm, considering it was before 7 a.m. when I was in it. I feel cleansed and lighter and clearer about what I want, what I need, what I'm going to do. I know what my priorities are on a personal level, and maybe a bit more. So I hope that within your days, which are likely to be significantly more challenging than this day for me, you can find what you need. Whether it's more green lights on your way to work than red lights, whether it's some biscuits left in the biscuit tin at work if you have such a thing. Find some stillness and listen.